I think this is so serendipitous. I entered the room and people greeted me. Pala, lahat kayo ay classmate ni Bless Madasigan, right? Yes, for Bless. Okay, all of you are classmates of Bless, and Bless invited me to your party in Viridian. So I was with you the other day, July 20, right? Thank you, thank you. Yes, Ella. Rosalie, oh, diba? Okay, so I saw all of you, and I'm glad to see you again. Okay, so here let me introduce the star. Okay, I'm just the one introducing her, but we're going to talk about Marisa Ramirez Gonzalez. She's a PhD, and she is known as Doc Marigons. She has established herself as a multifaceted gem. She is also the renowned author of the Total Wellness Management Curriculum, honored with a magna cum laude distinction. She is the formulator of organic enzyme foods that prolong life and prevent diseases. Her expertise in blood detoxification, cellular nutrition, and prime hydration has earned her widespread recognition. She specializes in eradicating blood toxicity effectively and strengthening the immune system efficiently. Doc Marigon's Total Wellness Program repairs, tunes up, and overhauls body machines using nutritional healing. Her customized plant-based formulation addresses the root causes of chronic diseases, but the natural way. Okay, so Marigons has she asked me to partner with her because in her program, she does total wellness, healing, inside and outside. And since I am a dermatologist and a pharmacist, that's why I'm a classmate of Bless. I met her in college. We're both graduates of UP, or University of the Philippines Pharmacy. And then I continued to medicine. So I'm a dermatologist, so Marigons had asked me recently to join her as her colleague, so that when we do total wellness, it's not only the inside, but outside also. So here we are, and I'd like you to know that I got impressed, okay, with Marigons and her formulations, because I gave her formulations to my father, who reached 100 years old. I don't know if you know my father, you're all from the US, but my father is Larry Henares, and he was very known to be a TV personality, and radio, and newspaper. He was in the Inquirer. Larry Henares, Dante, you know my family, and my family knows you, and I've heard about you since I was a little child. Right, Dante? Don't you own the Alpha building? The Alpha building, right? Near Dasmariñas Village. I think they said you owned it and you sold it. But we were always looking at that building for the longest time because we live in Dasmariñas Village. Yes. And you know my brothers, I think, Ronnie Henares, Atom Henares, Danby Henares, because he's a race car driver, and so are you, right? So I think you're very much into, our social circle. You know the Henareses, and we know you. But this is the first time I'm meeting you in person, and I'm so honored to meet you. So, yes, so I put my father under this program of Marigons. You made a painting. You know that's right. Yes, you're correct, because my father pointed a painting in our house, and that's from... Thank you. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. It is, and it is there. And I remember my father saying that. So I put my father under the program of Marigons, and he was already on a peg. You know what a peg is? It's here. Yes, it's a gastrostomy tube. So he couldn't eat anymore because he was prone to aspiration. So, yes, he's 108 months. But he just passed, last December 14. So he was on a peg and could not argue with me. So I gave him, through the peg, these formulations of Marigons. And, you know, he did so well. And so, yes, I feel so. Because it's nutrition. So, of course, he was given medicines, but the medicines were getting into the cellular level because of the nutritional formulations of Marigons. So it really went in, and it extended his life. So hanggang 100 siya in 8 months. We were able to celebrate his 100th birthday. He was able to enjoy his party. And so, you know, I was very impressed. So my brothers and sisters, we are now taking his formulations and we're doing well. Yes. 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 You're related to them? Oh, yes. The Littons. I know Raquel Del Rio, Susan Del Rio, who is a Litton. Yes, the Litton Mills. And of course the Aranetas. Yes. Yes. So anyway, I just want you to know I did take Rosalie. I took the program of Marigons and gave it to my father. And now I had enrolled 16 of my family members in this program. And so I'm very proud to introduce you to Marigons, the formulator, okay? Marigons PhD, the formulator of this wonderful microbiome. Okay, so the solution is to reintroduce or reset your life, reset your body, reset your body, repopulate the body with a microbiome, and have like a rebirth. Because at birth, you were already given, I'm a breastfeeding advocate, okay? So I know that the process of delivering your baby through the vagina, and then skin-to-skin contact, the unang yakap, and then breastfeeding gives you the first source of microbiome. But when you become already 6 months old, they start to introduce food, and the food that we all eat are already processed meats, etc. So it acidifies the blood, it kills the microbiome that God had given you for free, and so we age faster. But when you are introduced, you know, your body is reset at this age, introduced, and repopulate with the microbiome, just like we did at birth, there is then a rebirth, and you can enjoy the rest of your life, you know, in a better condition, not bedridden or in a wheelchair. So let's try to prevent that. Okay, and as I told you, we were awake early in the morning. We saw, I told you, 7 + 5, 12 patients, and yet we're here with the energy, right? So it really works. So without further ado, this is my colleague and my partner, Marigons.
Each one of you, I brought here mga 30 bottles. I formulated this one, and PT, the cousin of Zaldi, tried it already. And of course, our pizza Nathan. So each one of you will have this all-natural, organic serum that has microbiomes, the good bacteria, and the prebiotics for the nutrition of the skin. Look at Doctora, she has no makeup, no blush on, just lipstick. Wala, zero yan, but look at her. Yeah, and look at Nathan.
Yes.
Yeah, because so it's a plant stem cell serum. Iba yung nasa katawan. And I asked Dr. Elvira, because we've been friends for a long, long time. I was with her when she was institutionalizing breastfeeding in the Philippines. Because of her and our father, Papa, I call him Papa Larry Hilador, during that time with Nona, another partner, in breastfeeding, I was representing the Malunggay farmers, organic farmers in the Philippines. So we're always in Malacanang. I speak for organic vegetables and fruits, especially Malunggay, that is a partner of breastfeeding, right? Pag nagbe-breastfeed ka, kailangan Malunggay. So anyway, as we we mature and grow older and I have a son, then we become more particular with health. And Dante is my colleague in arts. We used to be together, di ba, with Ade Kubi, Hidalgo, with Cariga Buko, and you know, grabe, that man is a very talented man. Let's give it up. Legendary Dante Silverio. Legendary. Yeah. So, Dante became a part of the artist's life and he's part of the Philippine Arts Central for Community Empowerment. Remember, we were at the of Cesar Montano? Diba? We had this, you know what we used to do before with Dante is we raise funds to our arts or paintings. Then we give it to the Football for Peace and Hope for Children, marginalized children in Bukidnon. So remember Dante were able to buy the jersey, tapos the football shoes, tapos the socks and the uniform because of our arts. And we gather every weekend, we have wine and ang sarap, simpleng buhay, tagay-tagay lang. Tapos we do painting, tapos half of it goes to the artists, kasi syempre artists has to be sustained. Then half of it goes to these kids. Na grabe ang kaligayahan at aksar. Makatanggap sila ng sapatos, ng football shoes, kasi they play with their chinelas. Santi was playing basketball with chinelas. And if it's brand new chinelas, he would carry his chinelas and just play basketball with his bare feet. Ganon, kasi di ba sa atin, pag mahal yung bago, talagang alagang-alaga. So, just imagine, so Dante became a very big part with the Philippine Arts Central for community empowerment that I founded. So I gathered, remember dati all the artists, tagay-tagay kami. Ang gagaling nilang artist, ako naman doon, ano na ako noon, yung sunod-sunod ako, sabi ko, no, I learned so much from them. Yeah, so I became a better artist than I used to be because of the mentors. And Saudi is also an amazing artist. Zade, he was able to exhibit at the Louvre in Paris in 2023, and he exhibited his art. Fantastic. They were amazed. He doesn't only sing and he paints. Oh, nagmahal na kay Dante Silverio. Really? Because Dante is a great singer. Nagmahal na sa'yo. Di ba? Tapos, galing ka mag-basketball, coach pa. Tapos, ang galing ko marangkaga. Oh, di ba? Nakatsaka ano yan eh, public. Kailangan yung churches. Kaya sabi niya, sino na mag-end-time ni Sandy doon dumating mo? Ganon, mag-end-time ni Dante. So, Dante made an impact to us, artists, and perhaps to all of you. Okay? So anyway, with much ado, yung pasalubong namin, okay? Pass the paper, finish or not finished. Okay, one each. Okay, yeah. Sige. So that, it's okay, Doktora, so that, kasi Doktora will teach you just few minutes how to maximize the use. The Doktora will teach you how to instantly relieve your stress and do anti-aging at the same time. You like that? So, instant stress relief in just a minute. But syempre pag demo, it takes 5 minutes, right? So, bigyan natin sila din ating mga and ang ating kitchen. Okay, hold on sa. I'll just, distribute natin, sila bigyan din. Kasi Doktora Elvira will teach you the best way to make use of it para ma-maximize nyo yung plant stem cell serum na to. Iba yung sinasabi namin plant stem cell para to declog all your clogs. Iba yun ha. So, this one is for our face. So, I promise naman ng iyamanan, dalawa kayo no? Ayan, tag-isa kayo ha. Tapos you just listen to Doktora ha. They're very good. So this is, let's give Doktora a round of applause for advocacy to be with us and empower our skin with nutritional health. So because it's all natural organic, it has no side effects. Yeah. I don't wear makeup. Zero pulbo, nothing. I just wear it everything. Sabi also, yan lang. Yeah. It will yung mga wrinkles, diba? Kasi and the best part is it relieves your stress in a single minute. Doktora Elvira will teach you how. Ha? Okay. Kasi kami, actually, it's part of our overhaul of the body. So, lahat ng bara-bara tanggalin, tapos repair of your blood cells, okay? Tapos, regenerates your cells para mag-rejuvenate ka. Kaya, Dr. is almost 70 years old. And she's in the program for 5 months already. Big difference. Yeah, so lahat ng pamilya niya, kasi prevention is cheaper than curing. But antayin niyo ma-attack. Kasi the program will declog all the clogs, will repair your tissues, will regenerate your cells. Talagang magbugtong ka. So, magbugloom ka, lalakas ka sa sigla. So, yun ang ibibigay sa'yo. So, because Dr. is the one in charge, okay, she's taking care of our wellness outside. Okay, so she's gonna teach you how to maximize the benefits of that small, mighty body. Alright? So let's welcome Dr. Elvira.
Okay, I just want to ask if each one of you has this. Does everybody have? Nathan doesn't have.
I already have.
You have one?
A lot. Yes, a lot.
Okay, this is enzyme oil. Okay, it's only one of her many formulations. But let's start with this. Okay, Vince, Donna, and Max, right? Okay, come, let's do this. So you open your bottle. It's a roll-on, right? It's a roll-on. So it's a roll-on applicator. So roll it on your palm. Okay, so first in the middle, and then you make a wider circle, right? Okay, until marami. Okay? And then, this is anti-stress, anti-aging, because if you're distressed, then you don't age faster, right? So then you rub it on your palm, okay? And you rub it so that you break the oil molecules. And then after that, you put it in your, you cover your nose, okay? Do you know when you are very stressed and you end up like having a hard time breathing, you go to the hospital, and when you go to the hospital, they give you a supot, and you breathe inside the supot. Did you ever hear of that? Okay, that's what, so they call it when you're hyperventilating. They give you a supot where you, and the principle there is that when you inhale oxygen, but when you exhale carbon dioxide. And so there's this balance. So we are recreating this. So what you do is you have it now in your palm, okay, and then you cover your nose. So even your thumbs, you put it close and you cover your nose, and you breathe with your nose, but your mouth is closed. And as you exhale, you bring out all the stresses you have. Okay, then you inhale the carbon dioxide that you just exhaled, you inhale it and then exhale it, and you do this for about 10 to 12 times with your eyes closed because you're trying to relax. Okay, so let's do it. Inhale from the nose, exhale through the nose also, and release all your tensions. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do you feel a little more relaxed? Yes. It's the smell, right? This is more of orange, right? An orange scent. Lemongrass, peppermint. Okay. So then you have extra in your hand, so start patting it on your face. Okay? And your hands. Right, to continue the de-stressing. Then after you've done that, you stretch out your hands, and you all stretch out your hands, and we will shake it 3 times, and then on the 4th, you say, ha! And let out all the stresses you have. Say, 1, 2, 3, ha!
One more time.
1, 2, 3, ha! 1, 2, 3, ha! Feel a little more relaxed. So you do this about 3 to 4 times a day and just let out the steam. Right? When you're feeling stressed, just do that and it will help. But it's only one of her many products. Do that first. Okay, enzyme oil. It is also good when you have itch. Galing, no? Marigon's is also good for itch. Itchiness, burns, acne, rashes, and also wrinkles. Oh, she was saying when a kid has asthma, you can use this. And I think some patients were telling you that they use it for wrinkles, right? They put it about 4 times a day, and it makes the wrinkles less. Here.
Okay, what causes wrinkles is dehydration, dryness. So it has hydratant and moisturizing, that's plant stem cell quality. So it's easily absorbed. That's why yung dryness mo, the dryness are gone because it is nourished by the hydration factors and the moisturizing factors in the ingredients. So if you use it 3 times to 4 times a day, mas mabilis i-hydrate niya. Kaya nawawala yung lines and the dryness. That's why nawawala yung wrinkles. That's what it is.
So let's give a big hand for Marigon's. I'm proudly saying she's my partner. Inside and out. Thank you, because I'm a dermatologist.